Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is a model question paper 2, Electronics and Communication. Subject name is Applied Electronics. Subject code is 25 ECE21. These are all 3 marks question. You will get 15 marks. So state the main postulate of Bohr's atomic module. So main postulates of Bohr's atomic module. So one is electrons moves in fixed orbit. It means when we revolving around the electrons are revolving around the nucleus, there is a stable in circular orbit that we call it as a stationary state without losing its energy. Next is quantized energy level. Each orbit has a definite energy. Okay. Electrons can exist only these specific energy levels, not in between. Okay. Third point is energy absorption or emission. When electrons emits or absorb energy, when it jumps from one orbit to another orbit, the energy changes. It is given E is equal to hv. H is equal to Planck's constant and V is in frequency. Coming to the fourth point is angular moment is quantized. In angular moment, each electron is given. So this is the formula. MVR is equal to NH divided by 2. You can change the N values. Okay. N you can give 1, 2, 3. These are the points for Bohr's postulates. So here write the construction and symbol of Zener diode. So construction of Zener diode. This diode is heavily dropped PNP junction diode because it is having a heavy dipping and very thin depletion layer. It designed to operate under is a reverse breakdown region without damage. The breakdown voltage we call it as a Zener voltage. So okay. And symbol Zener diode similar to a normal diode, but it is a cathodic line bend, that is zigzag shape instead of straight line. So I have not write the symbol. You can search it on internet. You will get. And use. Coming to the uses we can use it for voltage regulates and use it for electronic circuits for maintaining constant voltage. You can write the advantages or uses. You will get little bit extra marks. Next, define bridge rectifier. Draw its a symbol. Bridge rectifier is a electronic circuits which convert AC voltage into pulsating DC voltage using 4 diode connected to a bridge form, and it provide a full wave rectification. I have not written the symbol. Application used for power supply circuits convert AC to DC. And list the main function of BJT with their symbols IB, IC and IE. There is a main component of BJE, nothing but a bipolar junction transistor. So IB nothing but base current. What is the function? It's current flowing through a base terminals. And IC nothing but collector current. It is a current flowing through a collector terminals. And third one is the emitter LE. It is a current flowing through a emitter terminal. There is a relationship between IE is equal to IB plus IC. It's a combination of that. And name the 2 types of FETs and indicate which one is normally on. There's a 2 types. One I will explain: enhancement and enhancement MOSFET and depletion MSFET. So in normally on MSF, what will happen? Depletion MSF is normally on 0 gate voltage. Enhancement which is normally off at 0 gate voltage. And explain the significance of operating point or Q point and CE amplifier. In the operating point or Q point is a point which the transistor operate when no output signal applied. This represent DC value, collector current and collector emitter voltage. Coming to the signification, it's ensure faithful application without distortion. Okay. And it keeps transistor in active region. Second point. Okay. Proper Q point will give maximum output voltage swing in CE amplifier. Next, describe how connecting two RC coupled amplifier stages affects the overall voltage gain. So in a two coupled RC amplifier, the stage are connected are connected. Output of the first stage will give input and second stage through a coupling capacitor. Overall effect of voltage gain. First is the overall voltage gain is increases and total gain approximately equal to the product of individual stages. Okay, so here AV is equal to AV voltage is equal to AV voltage 1 into AV 2. And third one, multi-stage RC coupled amplifier. We are widely used for audio amplification circuits for higher amplification. And in N channel JFET explain how increasing negative gate to source voltage affect in drain current. In N channel JFET, when the negative gate source voltage VGS, we can call it as increased, the depletion region around the channel become wider. As a result, when the channel wider decreases and drain current also decreases. At a pinch of voltage and the channel closes completely and dry current become nearly zero. Pinch voltage of voltage and the completely closed, it has a close, and whatever drain current which will be there, that will be zero. So if the content is useful, please subscribe my channel, share and support. Thank you.